Ask My Instructor 2.6.65. Find the limit as x goes to 0 of secant x minus 1 over tangent squared x. Notice that as x approaches 0, both the numerator and the denominator are approaching 0 as well. I'd also like you to remember the Pythagorean identities. Perhaps you don't know all of them. You probably know the first one, sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. There are two others, and I'd like to use the one involving tangent squared. If 1 plus tangent squared equals secant squared, then tangent squared is just secant squared minus 1. And I use this to rewrite the limit. So in my denominator, I now have secant squared minus 1 instead of tangent squared. Next, I use the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared. Now, look at the denominator. It says secant squared minus 1, but 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. So secant squared minus 1 squared is equal to secant minus 1 times secant plus 1. And now I rewrite the limit again. So I'm now looking at the limit of secant x minus 1 over secant x minus 1 times secant x plus 1. Now that we have factored the denominator, we can simplify the rational expression fairly easily. I can cancel the secant x minus 1 that's found both in the numerator and in the denominator. And at this point, the limit can be found by evaluating. To evaluate this limit, we need to find that what secant of 0 is. Secant of 0 is 1 over cosine of 0. And cosine of 0 equals 1. So secant of 0 equals 1 as well. And so 1 over secant 0 plus 1 is just 1 over 1 plus 1, or 2. Take care. Have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions.